Spoops, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can achieve this Queen Frostine makeup look and also how you can create her Snowflake staff as well. This is part of my 12 days of SFX-mas, and if you're new and you don't know what that is, for 12 days in the month of December, I'm uploading a new Christmas inspired makeup tutorial, and today I decided to throw it back all the way to Candyland to the original Snow Queen herself. So anyways, with that being said, if you guys are interested in seeing how you can achieve this Queen Frostine makeup look and how you can create her staff, then just keep watching. Hey Spoops, so to start off I'm going to be showing you how you can create your very own Queen Frostine staff. I'm going to be going ahead and taking this fake little cane that I ordered off of Amazon and some colored spray paints. I'm going to be starting off by spray painting the entire cane this beautiful light blue, and what's really great about this cane is you can actually pull it apart to adjust the size as you'd like, and then once it is spray painted light blue, I'm going to be taking some of this Snow Flurry spray paint and just spraying this all over the staff. I got this beautiful snowflake tree topper that I'm going to then be gluing on to the top of this staff. So you want to use a hot glue gun, and what I really like about this hot glue gun is we're actually going to be altering it to make it look like it is dripping icicles. This is a great way to hide the hot glue by making it a little bit more creative. So I'm definitely trying to make sure that this is as sturdy as possible on the top of the staff since it is rather heavy and top heavy. So you definitely want to make sure that you secure this and wait for it to be completely dried and just build up the layers as much as you want. I might have done overkill, but I decided to kind of try and create a little bit more of an icy effect. So as you can see, as I'm going along, I'm trying to create some soft designs to make it look like icicles. And if you'd like, you can even apply a little bit of some iridescent glitter onto the hot glue as it is drying to help make it look even more like ice. That is a step that I wish I would have added to this because it would have looked a little bit more realistic. And as you can see, I also created some fake icicles that I'm gluing on to the staff as well. And that is how you can create your very own Queen Frostine staff. Next, we're moving on to makeup. I'm going to be starting off by popping in some blue contact lenses and applying some of my Candyland Lip Lolly onto my lips before going ahead and also applying my Fenty Skin sunscreen all over my face to help moisturize it, and taking my Buckle Bunny Beauty Sheer Perfection Primer and applying that over my face as well. I'm then going to be taking my Becca Cosmetics Under Eye Highlight and applying this under my eyes to help brighten them before taking my Milani Supercharged Concealer in the color 120 Peach and applying this under my eyes as well to help conceal some of those dark circles. And then I'm going to be taking my MAC Strobe Cream and applying this to my cheekbones to help give my face a little bit more of a luminous glow. Next, I'm going to be taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation in the color 220N, and I'm going to be applying this all over my face using my IT Cosmetics Airbrush Blurring Foundation Brush before moving on to taking my Buckle Bunny Beauty Creamed Powder Foundation in Mocha, and using this as a cream contour, I'm going to be applying this to the areas that I now want to deepen, and so this is going to be going to my cheekbones and my jawline before making sure to blend that out. Next, I'm going to be taking my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in the color Light Peach, and I'm going to be applying this to the areas that I now want to highlight. So this is going to be under my eyes and my forehead. So then I'm going to be going ahead and blending that out before setting my face with my Airspun Translucent Powder and applying this all over my face. Next, we're going to be moving on to contour. I'm going to be taking my KVD contour palette, taking this contour shade, and I'm going to be applying this to the areas that we applied our cream contour from earlier. So this is going to be my cheekbones and my jawline before going into this highlight color and applying this under my eyes. Next, I'm going to be taking my ColourPop Land Gummy More Super Shock Cheek, and I'm going to be applying this to the apples of my cheeks and even blending this up to my temples as well. I'm then going to be taking my ColourPop Disney Designer Big Tough Girl Highlight, and I'm going to be applying this to my cheekbones before moving on to eyeshadow, where I'm going to be taking my Smashbox 24-Hour Photo Finish Primer and applying this all over my eyelids. Next, we're going to be moving on to eyebrows, where I'm going to be taking my NYX Micro Brow Pencil in black and going ahead and lightly filling in my eyebrows before going on and adding a little pop of color to my eyebrows. So I'm going to be going into my Be Perfect Carnival 3 palette, taking Lagoon, and I'm going to be applying this to the inner part of my eyebrows before creating an ombre effect by going into the deep and applying this to the arch of my eyebrows, and will finally setting my brow hairs with my Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. Next, I'm going to be taking my ColourPop Frozen 2 Elsa palette, and I'm going to be going into water, and I'm going to be going ahead and applying this all over my eyelid. This is a beautiful periwinkle blue, and we want to go ahead and create a transition shade with fire and apply this right between our brow bone and this blue eyeshadow. I'm then also going to be applying this to my lower lash line before going back into water and applying this to my lower lash line as well. I'm then going back into my Be Perfect Carnival 3 palette, taking Lagoon once again, and I'm going to be applying this all over my eyelid, making sure to use some patting motions, and I'm also going to be applying this to the outer corner of my lower lash line. I'm then going to be taking Cuddle Close from my Elsa palette, and I'm going to be using this to highlight my brow bone, and I'm also going to be bringing this into the inner corner of my eyes as well. Next, I'm going to be taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid black eyeliner, and I'm going to be creating a nice thin wing on my upper lash line, making sure to thin it out as we get to the inner corner of the eye. And I also want to go ahead and apply a nice thin line to my lower lash line as well. Next, I'm going to be prepping my eyelashes by curling them before going into my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and sweeping this through my upper and my lower eyelashes. We're now going to be moving on to lip products. I'm going to be starting off by taking my ColourPop Lippy Pencil in I Heart This and going ahead and outlining my lips before topping that with my ColourPop Disney Designer Bobbity Lip Gloss. And then I want to add a little bit more of an iridescent sheen, so I'm going to be taking my ColourPop Disney Villains Sad But True Lip Gloss and applying this right over top. For my false eyelashes, I'm going to be taking my E&E lashes in the style Cherry, and I'm going to be applying that to my upper lash line before, of course, taking my ColourPop Queen Frostine body glitter, and I'm going to be applying this all over my body before taking my Tula Signature Glow setting mist. I'm going to be spraying this on my face to give it a little bit of an iridescent sheen, and then finally setting my face with my One Size Beauty On Till Dawn setting mist. And that is my completed Queen Frostine cosplay makeup and staff tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below if you'd like to see next. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my videos. And with all that being said, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!